Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have floral card today using Waffle Flower Tulips stamp set. Let's begin by stamping our images. So I already have my floral images on the lid of my Misti, and I'm inking them up with Versafine Onyx black ink and stamping them on 140-pound Strathmore watercolor paper. So I use my Misti here so I can stamp multiple times if I need to, because this stamp is a little bit intricate. So I need to stamp the image on the paper multiple times to get that crisp image. And now I'm going to color my floral images with my Sequin color real brush markers. So I just chose colors that I think it looks nice on these floral images. So I used the purple, yellow, and then this pink color here. And then I also going to use other colors on the other two floral images on the left side of the screen. After the coloring is done, I went ahead and fussy cut the images using my X-Acto knife and detailed scissor. And I also have this ones here, and I use my Daniel Smith watercolor paints for those two floral images. For my background, I use Daniel Smith Opera Pink paint, and I just added the color on my panel with water, and now I'm drying it with my heat tool. And this card is gonna be a mini slimline card. I'm going to splatter some gold paint using my Gansai Tambi Starry colors, and I used I think the yellow gold or something like that. It's one of the gold paint from that set, and I added a little bit of water to activate the paint, and then I splatter it on my panel, and I'm also going to splatter it on all of the flowers that I colored and fussy cut. I used an acrylic black for splattering. I think I get more fine splatters rather than just tapping on my brush, and I use that technique when I want bigger splatters. And if you really want tiny splatters, you can use a toothbrush. So I do that when I make my galaxy background. I'm going to cut a little bit of the panel because I want border on my card. And now I'm going to arrange my flowers or my floral images on my card or my panel, and then I'm just stacking them together, and then I'm going to pick them all up with washi tape so I don't lose their positions, and then I can add my my liquid glue, and then I can adhere them on the card, on the panel. And now it's time to adhere my panel on my mini slimline card base. Measures 6 1/4 by 3.5 inches. I remove my adhesive backing halfway so I can line up my panel perfectly on my card base. And then when I'm sure with the placement, I can remove the release papers all the way. For my sentiment, I used the hand sentiments stamp set, and I used the Happy Mother's Day sentiment. I stamp it on scraps of watercolor paper with Versafine Onyx black ink, and I'm adding gold ink on the sides to distress it a little bit, and then I'm going to add the sentiment on the card. For the inside of the card, I have leftover of the floral images, so I'm just gonna adhere that and then cut the excess paper. For my embellishment, I'm going to scatter some of this iridescent sequins, and then I'm going to adhere them with micro glue dots. And my beautiful Mother's Day card is complete. I love the background color and the gold splatters on this card. I hope you like today's card, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.